Hey there, need to log into Gmail on your PC? Let's make it quick and easy. Here's how you do it in just a few steps. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type gmail.com and hit enter. You'll land on the Gmail login page. Enter your email and tap next. Now enter your password and tap next. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to verify your identity using your phone or another method. Simply tap Not Now. And that's it, you are in. Now you can access your emails, manage your inbox and stay connected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.